Hello and welcome. This is Ms. Trujillo with part 3 of our 7 mini-series tutorial on the student version of Edmodo. If you have not done so already, you can check out parts 1 and 2. They deal with the home screen and classes for the Edmodo platform. All right, let's get started. If you go up to the bar at the very top of Edmodo, you are going to see Planner. You can click on that icon. And two things I want to show. First, on the left-hand side, you will see a list of all of your classes, okay? And right now, the one that is selected is the one that it says all tasks. I can then select a specific class and only see the assignments for that class. And then right here on the top center of the screen, you'll see a drop-down menu where it says upcoming and completed. And this is a way for you to view the assignments that you have completed. Okay, just give it a few seconds. Okay, and also which assignments you have upcoming. If, for example, you know that you completed this assignment, right here it says past due, but you turned it in to the teacher, perhaps via email, or you sent it in a message, you can go ahead and mark this completed. You're going to click on it again, then select mark as completed, and it will no longer show up here. Now, you don't have to do this for all of the assignments. You only have to do that for the assignments that you, A, have completed, but shared it with a teacher in a different format, or an assignment that was from the beginning of the school year that your teacher posted here for your reminder, and you no longer have to look at that. Okay, later on in this video, I will show you how to submit an assignment. And once you submit an assignment through Edmodo, you will see that that assignment will show up under the completed tasks. Now, one very cool feature about the planner is the ability to see this in a calendar format. Now, you cannot get to that calendar format if you're under the planner tab of the screen. So what you'll have to do is go back to the home for Edmodo and then go all the way to the right where you are going to see two icons. One is for Microsoft Office 365 and the other one is a calendar. Okay, it's a blue square with the number 30 and it says Edmodo Planner. And this is one of my favorite features. You're going to click on that and you will see the list of the assignments that are due for your classes in a weekly period or in a monthly period. So right now we're looking at it from Tuesday to Friday. It will always show four days at a time. Okay, and right here on the right-hand side, you'll see what dates it's showing. Today will always be highlighted in blue. And then if you want to move forward in the weeks, you can just click on the arrows like so. Okay, I can also go back. And you can see for your different classes what assignments are due. If you want to take a look at the month, you can go ahead and do so as well. And this really helps you plan out your school weeks. This is something new for students, not having a designated time to meet with a class. So I feel that this visual really helps And maybe you want to look at this on a weekly basis. I always recommend my students to look at this, at the beginning of the weeks. That way you know what assignments you have and you can plan accordingly. Now, if there's a task that you know you want to work on, for example, you want to work on iReady, you can set your own tasks. All you have to do is click on the plus sign next to the dates. Okay, you can also just click anywhere on the date. I'm going to click right here. Actually, no, it's not the same way on a student format. You have to click on the plus. Okay, you want to select the date. So let's say tomorrow. If you want to select a date range, let's say from Wednesday to Friday are going to be your iReady days. Let's just say that. And then you can go ahead and create. You can assign a time frame, but you don't have to. And then it'll show on your planner, iReady. You know that you have planned to do your iReady sessions on those 3 days for this week. On the bottom section of the calendar planner, you'll see an option to create tasks that you would like to complete someday. And it'll also show you what are some assignments that are coming up soon. Not necessarily within the 4-day time frame that you're looking at, but sometime soon. So if I scroll to the next page, I see that on April 24th is the next assignment that I have due, and that is the War of 1812. And I'm gonna go back for a second. So there's nothing next week, right? This is Sunday, April 19th through Wednesday, April 22nd. Doesn't show any assignments here, but under coming soon, you are able to see that the War of 1812 assignment is coming up. And that's the one right here. Okay, so this is a very useful tool. I strongly recommend it. It will definitely help your planning and make your life easier during this distance learning. All right, thank you so much for watching. This was part 3 of 7 with Edmodo Planner. I hope you found it useful and you learned some cool tricks and on how to stay organized during this distance learning. Next up, part 4 deals with our backpacks. Hope to see you then. Take care.